I'm Duan. Welcome to PD Tech for another professional guide.
And I'm Peter. Looking for more than just a tutorial? Head over to pdtech.co.nz to see how we can manage this all for you.
In this video, we show you how to duplicate a fixed asset from an existing asset. You can duplicate a draft or registered fixed asset. In the Draft tab of the register, select the fixed asset you want to duplicate. For this example, we'll use laptop. Then, click Duplicate. Xero copies the fixed asset and automatically adds the asset number as the next in the sequence. Change the name of the asset and amend any of the details if required. Then, save the asset as a draft or register the fixed asset as needed. In this example, we'll click Register. To duplicate a registered fixed asset, select the fixed asset from the Registered tab. We'll select Office Chair for this example. Then, click on the Overflow menu and select Duplicate. The fixed asset details are duplicated and the asset number is the next in sequence. Change the asset name and amend any details if required. Then click Register to complete the process.